Long press to start the power supply. Power on, secant and fog mode under voltage. Adjust voltage during operation. Pause, switch mode. Double-click the power button. Switch Hertz mode. Adjust the soft or medium or hard modes in the suspended state. Start. Below 15 Hz is the puncture mode. Above 15 Hz is normal mode. 30 Hz 31 will jump directly to 15 Hz. Press and hold the left and right buttons at the same time. Switch lights. Press 3 keys power button plus left and right adjustment button at the same time in the shutdown state. Enable Bluetooth mode.